Welcome to our episode that narrates the events of 1951 at Don Bosco High School, Matunga. In this year, the Salesian world lost their rector major, Father Peter Ricaldoni, the fourth successor of Don Bosco. He died on 25th November 1951. His loss was mourned by Salesians and well-wishers near and far. Don Bosco Matunga too lost a dear father and superior who was the last rector major who lived to see Don Bosco. Don Bosco Matunga continues to grow and becomes a prominent name in the city of Mumbai. Significant strides were made in academics, sports, and culture. Two past pupils, Aloysius Furtado, now a Salesian priest who began his journey at Don Bosco Matunga in 1951, and Mr. Narendra Sethia, aged 87 years, batch of 1951, recount with nostalgia their memories of their stay at Don Bosco Matunga. Interspersed are some memorable events and milestones of the calendar year 1951. These include the completion of the primary building and the giant strides made by the institution in sports. The Tata Shield, symbolizing excellence in athletics, is now a prized possession. So sit back and watch our episode.
Don Bosco Matunga has always been a second home for me ever since I left Zanzibar, East Africa in the year 1951. To welcome me in Don Bosco was my first rector, Father Aurelius Mastio, and then later on it was Father Mauro Casarotti who took over. It was the Salesian fathers, the brothers and the teachers who considered me very much part and parcel of the Salesian family, the Don Bosco Matunga family. It is there that I grew up nurturing my skills, principles in the spiritual, in the physical and in the academic fields. Later on, I was happy to come back as a brother doing practical training in the year 63 to 67. And then still later on as the prefect of studies, looking out in charge of the borders from the year 1975 to 1979. I cherish fond memories of Don Bosco Matunga, and I'm so happy that the staff, the principal and the superiors over at Don Bosco have always considered me part and parcel of the family. This is my hope and wish that Don Bosco grows from strength to strength as it has always been, looking after youngsters and bringing them up as honest citizens and useful to make our country prosperous. God bless you.
So all the Boscoites have become stars and will continue to be future stars of India. Not only film stars, but business stars, professional stars, sports stars. In every field they have become sports, and that is what the Boscoites are and will be. That is what I learnt in the nursery rhyme. Boscoites, I am 87-year-old but not retired, because I am not yet tired. And I have been nurtured at Don Bosco School, that is, I am not getting tired. I would like to thank the priests and the staff of Don Bosco School, past, present and future, for the very nurturing of seeds in the subconscious mind of the Boscoites. I am a jolly good Boscoite, I am a jolly good Boscoite, and that is what I am.